Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Nafat. I am a lead technical support analyst at BMC Software. Today I will be demonstrating how you can use and run HCT TrueSight Health Check 3.0 log collection and analysis tool. I will be covering the following agenda. In the first place, we'll start with an overview and we'll be covering where you can find this tool, what's new inside, and how you can run. So let's begin. Let's start with an overview. The HCT log analyzer tool will extract the logs for the given duration. We need to give the start and end date from the mentioned path. Please note, this utility is compatible for Linux as well as for Windows too. Where is the Health Check tool? The Health Check tool 3.0 can be downloaded from the BMC EPD site under TrueSight Presentation Server 11.3.06, and it is also available on BMC Communities page. What's new in HCT 3.0? The feature flag incident analyze to collect the logs according to date and time. Now let's begin with a demo. How to run HCT 3.0 log collection and analysis tool. I have downloaded TrueSight HCT 3.0 under TrueSight pserver utility directory. To run the utility, I have opened command prompt. In the HCT 3.0 README file, you will find the steps to execute the tool. To run this tool on TSOM and TSPS install environment, run the command with either the start and end dates or the number of hours specified at command line. TrueSight Health Check Bat Incident Analyze Start Date, Start Time, End Date, End Time is one method, or TrueSight Health Check.bat Incident Analyze a number of hours is the second method. Once you open the command prompt, you can run TrueSight HealthCheck.bat Incident Analyze Start Date Start Time then follow End Date End Time. Hit enter. It will detect your TSPS environment and execute Health Check tool version 3.0. It will ask you for want to enter folder path. As of now, you can mention no. It will generate under by default path. Then it will ask, do you like to proceed? Please mention yes. Now it will execute the tool. After successful execution, it will show you the path where all logs has been stored. Then you can go to Utility TrueSight Health Check Logs folder. You will find Log Analyzer latest logs has been stored. If you look at the screen, we can see all logs has been stored from the given start date and end date timestamp. The other way you can execute the tool like TrueSight HealthCheck.bat incident analyze, and give the number of hours. It will ask you to enter the folder path. Would you like to proceed? Yes. It will show all logs are copied to the below location. In case of number of hours, the end time will be current date and time, and the start date time will be the calculated with the number of hours specified. Also, there is a health check tool properties file. Health check tool dot folder paths. This property used to mention folder path to read the logs from the folder. Under the health check tool dot properties, you will find various options to set. Health check tool folder path. This property used to mention folder paths to read logs from the folders. Health check tool start date and end date. Health check tool skip file names. The log files which we want to skip for scanning can be mentioned in this property. To verify, you can go into Log Analyzer folder, open the logs, and check if logs has been collected only for last 42 hours. Let's run HCT 3.0 on TSOM server. This is my TSOM server 11.3.04. I have downloaded TrueSight Health Check version 3.0 and kept it under utility folder. Open the command prompt and run the command TrueSight. I have copied TrueSight Health Check version 3.0 under utility folder. Now on the TSOM server, I will run TrueSight Health Check.bat, incident analyze. Instead of start and end time, I will mention specific hours. I will mention no to the folder path. It will store at the base location. Would you like to proceed? Yes. Now it will copy all required files to the location. Okay, now you can see all required logs has been stored into the below locations. Now on the screen we can see logs collected in the time range for last 72 hours. And all logs are copied from the below location. Let's go to the Log Analyzer logs location under the PW Pronto logs. Let's open TrueSight.log to verify if logs has been captured only for 72 hours. Here under TrueSight.log we can see logs captured has been started at 13th September 127. and same we can verify under the time range duration. These references links can help to understand how you can run the HCT log analyzer tool and collect logs for the required date and time duration. To quickly summarize our webinar today, we have looked at what's new in HCT 3.0, how this utility will extract the logs for particular start and end date from provided folder path, and feature flag incident analyze to collect the logs according to date and time. This concludes my presentation.